you start it, bro?
I don't know what do we say.
I'm down for the count. My voice is going today, so it's.
What's up and good morning? No, I'm just kidding.
You got it, dude. That
was impressive.
What's up? And it's afternoon. It is late. This is like, yeah, my voice is gone already. I don't know what to tell you guys. So sorry if today sucks.
Right, Chris, go ahead.
Yeah, Chris, you have the least. You don't talk much, so you probably have a voice.
What's everybody?
And just like that, we're done. Well, today's what, day 3, I think.
4 for you.
Yeah, 5. I've lost track. This is probably the latest start. Most of the day's already gone. I think Sema closes in like 3 hours, but hey, we're still here.
After party at our hotel.
Chris, I don't know, Chris, you were getting eyeballed by some grandmas over in the casino earlier.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Did you hand out the room number?
I did.
Nice. All right, boys, you want to head to Sema?
I guess.
Come on, bro. There's people out there that are wishing they could go to Sema.
You need a hug, man.
You need a hug?
No, I don't need a hug. You've been a little quiet.
I got you, bro. You been quiet this morning?
No, we just.
Oh, long morning?
Yeah, long morning. We had a busy morning.
Well, Wes actually got some new wheels put on his truck this morning.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll show you guys by the end of the day today.
Sure. Shout out Exclusive Offsets and the Truck Shop Las Vegas for making that happen.
Chris, are you ready to go? Can you get up off the couch or are you going to stay there?
Can you carry me?
No.
I wouldn't be sitting on that couch. I would.
All right, well, we finally made it into Sema. It gets crazy on the last 2 days because they closed the big parking lot to get ready for the Sema Ignited, which is the kind of parade that we were in last year. But we've made it to our Mecca, guys. I'm going to be surprised if we don't see Mark DeCola running around here. We have made it to the land of Milwaukee. Wes, just put it on the tab, bro. Put it on the channel tab.
Here.
Hey, Wes, you're allowed to touch it. Now you don't want to touch it?
No, I know we're allowed. So right angle diagram. I know we need that.
Wes, what's the model number?
I don't know. This is 2554 or something. Or 50. These are new.
You gotta brush up. Yeah, I haven't even seen these yet.
Seen these.
Which these are nice because the one thing about switching from air to batteries obviously they're bigger than the air tools. So we've got these models. You've got this big fat neck on it right there that you're trying to squeeze into different parts of the vehicle. So having the extension on there, the skin of your neck. What do you think, Wes? We get one of these for the warehouse?
I thought you needed one for your house.
I do need one for my house. You know, you guys know we're big Milwaukee tool fans. We own pretty much most of the line of Milwaukee tools. But one of the greatest things they make is their vacuums. I'm a big fan of the handheld vacuum. And one thing I've been wanting forever. Oh yeah, and then their new
12
giant 12.0 battery. But
still heavy without it.
The backpack vacuum is it's pretty sweet for running around, especially if you're doing stairs in the house. Oh, dude, you ready to go? Yeah, you going ghost busting?
Hell yeah.
Fire it up, dude. I think it's on 1. Let me turn it on 2.
Yeah, turn that back.
Let me crank it up to 2. Oh, now we're. Think if we just walk off, anybody will notice?
I don't think so. I mean,
right.
Everybody has backpacks.
Yeah. Just get rid of the wand. We'll put the wand in my backpack and then we can take it. All right. We expected to see Mark DeCola over here hanging out in the Milwaukee booth. Not Greg A himself.
Dude.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man? What's up?
What? Look at you, big time.
Well, actually, this is his. I just stole it. Don't tell RBP that. But
so we got to leave the Milwaukee booth before Wes gets kicked out. What were you doing, Wes?
Nah, there's a typo on their board with all their impacts, and I told him, I was like, hey, this is wrong, and he's like, oh no, it's not wrong. You know, it makes 600 foot-pounds of torque. I was like, dude, it's a 1/4-inch hex impact. They're rated in inch-pounds to make the number look big, and they're rated, that one specifically is 2,000 inch-pounds, which converts to 166 foot-pounds of torque, and it had it labeled as 600. So I was like,
damn, some bamboozling going on.
So he's Googling, you know, he had to pull out his phone and Google their part number to realize
You didn't just tell the part number off the
top? I did, but you know.
He didn't trust you.
And then he told me it was the Gen 2, and I was like, actually, that's the Gen 3 there, sir. But hey, you know, I don't work for Milwaukee.
That's why Wes is on the team. You might as well work. You might as well own Milwaukee, Wes.
Shit.
Clearly, you know more than the guys working in the booth.
Well, that guy, he's a schmuck.
So as you guys know, while we're at Sema right now, my OBS is currently getting painted, and it's not helping me that I'm seeing a bunch of completely done, beautiful OBSs that are obviously 4-wheel drive. Just an amazing amount of work has gone into a few of these OBS around here. This one especially has caught my eye. We've got the owner Michael here. Michael, say hello to the channel.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing?
What's your Instagram real quick? I know you're on
It's gonna be wasted_wages_7.3.
Would you mind giving us a walk around your beautiful truck?
Man, you know, it's sitting on 26 inches of lift, 26-inch wheels, 44-inch boggers. The lift kit's from RYD. It's a one-off kit from them. King coilovers, everything from there on. You know, we literally 2 Saturdays ago, this truck was frame only. We put a new motor in it, new transmission. Powder coated the frame, as you can see.
So you still retain, it's still 7.3, right?
It's still 7.3 turbo diesel. When we get back, I'm actually going to go through and add a few more things to it.
I'm assuming, what do you do for work?
Man, I manage an oil field company called Downhole Chemical Solutions out of Midland, Texas. I've worked with them for over 4 years now, and honestly, without the help of sponsors,
well, what I like about it is, I don't know if it would be necessarily my first color choice, but I like the fact that you kept the classic brown.
That's what draws the attention, man, is
right?
These old two-tone trucks. And I went with Avery Wrap, and I picked their 2 newest colors on the line.
Nice.
So it wasn't my first choice on color as well, but it was their 2 newest colors. They sent me the wrap. I said, you know what, let's run with it.
And it's funny because what people don't realize is, all right, you choose the wrap color, and it's wraps are temporary, but all the powder coating and the wheels and everything that match it are not temporary.
No, not at all. And that's the thing is, you know, everyone, oh, you could have done a better job color matching. Well, I didn't want to color match the rest of the lift. It's too much of the brushed bronze at one time. You know, the wheels we got them raw, and we went over them with a DA sander and sanded them actually, so it's like a brushed
Let's
finish.
go take a look at those. Oh, that's awesome.
The tailgate panel's the same way as well.
Gotcha.
There's 60 rock lights under this thing. Actually 58 because I broke 2.
You guys did an amazing job with it. Did you do anything on the interior?
The interior is done.
These seats are awesome.
Wages in the headliner.
Nice.
In the back of the seats.
And then what they do? They de-ate it and then they clear over it?
Yeah, we just de-ate it, cleared over it. And this is all laser engraved by OBS Solutions.
I love it. You're giving me a lot of ideas. Probably going to end up costing me a lot of money. I really would love to do a full frame off on my truck. And it's what it would take, because mine's also 2-wheel drive, so we would need to like just swap everything over.
You can tell it's not an easy truck to get into. It's shoulder height, and I'm 6'3". If you want me to get into it,
I would love you to get into it. Yes, I would.
It's rough, man.
Don't slip on the tire shine if you got to step on the wheel.
I do. You got to put a foot there, get a knee in.
Jeez.
Everything crawl in here.
But once you're up there, I bet you don't want to get down,
man,
huh?
It's like, man, you know, no one wants to jump down.
So I've got to ask, being that I own a 7.3, how far you get on like on the 2 tanks?
Man, on the 2 tanks, I'm gonna say probably 250 miles.
For all you guys think that like diesel's the most efficient, the old diesel's not exactly the most efficient vehicles out there.
No.
These things suck up diesel way more than you would expect.
Got a little better. We did 488 gears in it.
So I think we're just gonna really make this whole video about OBSs today because, well, there's just a lot of beautiful ones here. And like I was saying earlier when we looked at Michael's truck, like bringing stuff like this is cool because it stands out amongst all the brand new trucks and you can really tell the work that goes into it. So we've got Calvin here. Calvin has this beautiful rig.
It's a 1996 F250 with obviously a full custom built frame, running with a 30x16 wheel, TIS wheel, wrapped in a 44 16.5 trace.
Can we talk about the frame for a minute? Because the frame is absolutely insane on this thing, and obviously, you know, it's one of the highlights that you guys wanted to showcase, but you literally face plated the entire frame the whole way through. Who built the frame? Did you guys build the frame?
RYD Motorsports out of BC.
Just the level of detail, and then everything being, I mean, it's white on white on white on white. There's a whole lot of cleaning that has to go on this thing,
Definitely a lot of cleaning. Transmission and the transfer case was all done.
Oh, there you go, yeah.
Put the platinum plate from OBS Solution.
Nice.
Give it that platinum look, old school but new school.
And then I like the body work here to kind of tie everything in.
Roll pan was all custom built, shaved. Also shaved off all the old fuel doors.
Oh yeah. So where do you fuel this thing up now?
It's actually a fuel cell in the back.
Fuel cell tucked up under the bed? What size fuel cell is that?
It fits about 8 liters. It's small. Small.
Calvin, I'm American. How do we convert that?
I'm Canadian, so I wouldn't even know how to convert it, dude.
Oh, nice.
We got all road wire,
yeah, you
seats,
the
front and back,
interior.
2 12-inch subs.
Nice. So being that we got to the show so late, now that everybody's gone, we actually still have some energy, which is rare because normally we're here all day until this point when everybody leaves and we get the hauls back to ourselves. One truck I haven't filmed yet is Derek Lewis's truck, the Beast. This is Wes's like, dude, Wes was real excited the other day. We had to walk all the way across. If you guys haven't been to these convention centers, they're massive. We had to go all the way from the southern end all the way to the furthest north end so Wes can meet Derek Lewis, the UFC fighter. Wes, how was it?
It was awesome. He's hilarious, just like he is on TV.
So give us a walk around of his truck, Wes.
Oh, I mean, you got a Chevy 3500 HD, got the Fusion bumpers.
Is he running Cognito lift?
My favorite brand for us.
It's like about a Cognito 12-inch lift kit.
Yeah, they're 10 to 12 adjustable. I'm pretty sure they probably got it cranked up.
What's the part number?
I can't tell you the scoop for that.
Oh, come on, guy. So you guys might remember this truck. Derek Lewis actually back, what was it, Houston? When the floods were in Houston.
Yeah.
He used this truck to get in there and rescue a bunch of people, bring a bunch of supplies in. So real good dude. And then I guess completely decided he's going to do a full rebuild on the truck. And then we're running some American Force wheels on some Toyo 40 15.5 26s. Are these floatings? Oh, those are. So typically you're not seeing people running this wide of tire on a dually. They usually run them a little bit skinnier, but he seemed to be able to do it without making them rub, which is nice. Oh, dude, Wes, can we show everybody your new tap, bro?
My new tat.
Yeah, dude, let's show everybody your new tap.
Well, I was never intending on getting a tattoo. I'm scared of needles, but you know, since we made this official, it ain't real unless you got their name on you.
That's right, right?
So,
yeah, what could go wrong by tattooing somebody's name on you?
right, so.
Oh, that's dang, bro. Hold on, we gotta focus on that. Whoa. Dang, where'd you get that done? That must have been a top quality tattoo shop.
Yeah, we stopped over at the Novaline.
Novaline, what is it, do floor mats? Oh my goodness gracious.
What's up? What's going on?
We gotta show you something.
Is it another ring?
Are you guys ready for this?
Another
Another ring, easy.
I mean, you got a lot of fingers.
I need.
I mean, obviously.
What was that?
You got 10 fingers.
Good job, Wes.
You could put
What's
multiple.
up?
Yo, show her, dude.
Oh, nothing.
You gotta show her.
No, it hurts.
Just show her.
It hurts.
Oh my god. That's hilarious. It matches my Winston one.
That was the
Yeah, well, we're a little upset. You spelled Wes wrong, though. We gotta change that.
We should edit that.
Are you sure? We locked in, Lacey?
Oh, I'm just kidding.
I was hoping an alarm would go. Yep, that was a great choice.
I thought you were gonna walk right.
And it's gonna fall over. So if you guys want to know what Sema's like, it's
pills.
a giant bottle
Pills,
of Tylenol
cameras, and
to keep Chris from complaining about his back. Good. Stop walking. Where are we going?
Oh, I'm not gonna.
I was gonna say that
should be
joke,
enough.
but you had to see it wrong.
Yeah, you're fake.
So it seems like every night the party tends to be around the flog truck, and they're really bringing the party. We were out here the other night. What's up, Nate? Hey, buddy. It's good to see you again.
Hey, what's going on?
Shoot, Kevin over here. Look at this beautiful photo shoot we got going on, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
I like it. I like it.
I love my job.
Right? So one of the cool things about like the SEMA nightlife is obviously the show's done, but a lot of the exhibitors hang around, and Flog knows how to party with the best of them. So they've been like kind of being the host of the party on the grounds after hours, right?
That's right.
Lacey, what do you think about our sweet rental Tahoe, huh?
I love it. I mean, it's not as cool as the Tahoe that's in the convention center.
I appreciate that. What happened, Wes? What are we doing?
I offered. Well, I didn't say it out loud, but once she admitted she's not a good driver, I reneged on it.
I am a good driver.
So
I'm a careless driver, but I'm a
I
good
was
driver.
gonna offer her to do donuts in my truck on the Vegas Strip. However,
Is this on me?
Oh, that's on you.
I'm sorry if I looked unenthused. I'm really car sick because Ryan's
sorry.
driving sucks.
Hey, hold on! That's not
Now
my
you
fault.
got
The
my
GPS just
driver.
took us in a circle. No, I'm not
How
lying.
you feeling, Wes?
You got this, Wes.
I feel great. I love White Castle because
So,
we
you can
did
tell-
not come to play.
One's a little more well versed in this eating competition. One's just struggling to survive right now. I thought we'd end the vlog. We didn't end the vlog. Lacey and Wes.
need some fries too.
Oh my God, you're
Oh my
you're
God.
not real. Dude.
I know. Dude,
Legit. Lacey just put down, was it 8?
9.
9 White Castle like it was nothing. Wes put down 9 White Castle.
Oh,
but
now he's
the
eating
struggle-
fries like he's not even struggling.
No, you know those fries are gonna hurt you. Lacey had a smile on her face the entire time.
The soggy burgers. They're soggy fresh, and they just got worse.
Yeah, White Castle's not good. So apparently that means
You're getting tattoos.
I
We're
think
getting
I think we're all getting tattoos.
I'm not.
Wes, are you excited?
henna tattoos.
Henna.
No.
And
That's
we never
not the
said
loophole.
real or henna.
That is not the loophole.
Lacey, me, and Chris are getting work for it tattoos. And then old Wes over here, remember that fake tattoo that we gave him earlier? Well, we're gonna make that real on his finger, and he's gonna get Lacey tattooed. Which finger? Which hand we doing? Left hand? Why you look so nervous,
Do
Wes?
it on the right hand. I'm going to tell you to do it on the right hand.
So it just so happens, tattoo shop right behind White Castle. Wes, what'd you do to us, buddy? Chris is the one that made this bet. I don't even know how I got involved in this. I know I'm supposed to be getting work for a tattoo, but I wanted to get like a big work for a tattoo somewhere. Now I'm gonna have like 2 work for tattooos. It's gonna be weird, but whatever. Thanks, Chris. Chris is getting one too, so no backing out, buddy. What'd you do, Wes?
I don't know. I don't feel good. It's the burgers.
Do you think that font will translate well? Yeah. No, it's clean, crisp, you're good. Pacing back and forth.
He's so nervous. I feel bad. I've just been giving him a hard time this whole. He's been nervous this whole time. His forehead's been sweating this whole day.
That's a lot of sweat. That's gonna flood this place. Did we figure out placement yet, Lacey?
Yeah, we're gonna put it here.
We're going right there?
So now every time you see me talk, you just gotta see work for it.
Work for it.
Work for it.
Work for it.
bracelets to that no kids are hungry.
I'm doing my left, so.
Oh, yeah, I'm doing my left too.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good size.
That's about where I would go. You don't want to go where the accordion is. You don't want to, but about where that watch band would lie. So if you like that spot, that's a good size. Doesn't wrap too much.
All right.
Tell me you love it.
So we're all over here like real excited, right? We're about to, and then we noticed.
Wes hasn't even filled out paperwork.
Yeah, that guy sitting over there hasn't filled out even any paperwork, anything. Does he even know how to spell Lacey? Wes, make sure you approve. I'm getting my company name on your woman. Is that okay? Chris, are you nervous, buddy? They're gonna tattoo Chris over there. What? You wanted to hold hands side by side? It doesn't work like that. Yeah, no, we're good.
Love it. Hate it. Too high. Too low. Too
I like it.
You like it?
I like
it.
it.
It looks straight. Doesn't
like
look crooked. Anything weird?
Oh my god, I gotta pee.
That one hurt. That one hurt a little bit. What up?
You're doing great, Chris.
Trying to catch up.
Try to catch up with me? Is this your first one? First tattoo? What?
You want it pink, right?
Yeah, that's right. Is it the right shade of pink?
The wrist can be a little spicy, but
What about the finger?
I think honestly, the
distracted,
wrist
man.
where he's getting it is the worst.
top of the foot's gonna still be a topper, but
Yeah, I would never get one.
What about right here,
for that reason.
Hey, stop distracting him. He's doing my tattoo. I feel like it's my friend.
his spot's much easier than your spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. On both ends, getting the tattoo and doing the tattoo.
So you came over to show. Oh heck yeah! First tattoo, Chris. He does, man. You have him too.
I know.
I love it. How do you feel?
So just like you were saying, put the plastic bandage over it, leave the plastic bandage on for a couple hours. After a couple hours, take it off, wash it warm water, fragrance-free soap. You're gonna do that on average 3 times a day. Just know when you twist your wrist.
Boom, boom, boom.
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 What's it look like?
Every time you karate chop someone, it's going to imprint work for it on their head. Wes is filling out the paperwork. It's getting real. You ready, buddy?
Just add tallies to it.
Yeah, exactly.
That looks real good.
Just one little spot in F, I want to make sure it stays.
Bro,
Now you're not worried about the pain.
This is easier than putting down that last White Castle, that's for sure.
That White Castle was pretty terrible.
White Castle in general.
It's disgusting, dude. I don't know how
Now
to
you're
do
not worried
it.
about the pain. Now you're making me feel bad because it's my name on your finger.
No, it's okay.
It's okay. You got this.
Chris,
Jeez.
Chris, hold his hand.
Lacey's supposed to sit right here.
I'm-
Oh, jeez.
You got this.
Love it.
Let me see.
How far are we, sir?
We got, ugh.
No, that was not even one letter yet.
Not quite. If it was the biggest letter, it would make you feel better.
Yeah, you're good, dude.
No, you got this. He's looking at me like he hates me right now.
Yeah, he really does.
No, it doesn't. No, it's fine. It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't. It will.
Bro, just name off like Milwaukee part numbers right now.
Yeah,
Just
ready, go.
quit looking.
What's the new 1800 foot-pound, what's the part number
I
of that
can't
bad boy?
even think of it right now.
Damn, it hurts. If you can't think of Milwaukee part numbers, it hurts.
I think I need some more tattoos right now.
You want to get a full sleeve right now?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
You want to get Lacey on there? You should get Lacey on there too.
Good.
Get Lacey
I
on
feel
there.
like you, when I looked at you, I literally, when we were talking about tattoos, I literally said you look like someone that would have at least a half sleeve.
That looks
Look
good.
how
dude.
cute.
It looks good. Shut up. Put it next to Lacey. Look at that. Honestly, I didn't think this was gonna happen. I knew the bet was going down. I didn't think it was gonna be real, but I mean, everybody. Wes, why is your hand hiding back there? Well, yours is leaking a little bit.
It's a little swollen.
Yeah, Lacey, let's see yours. It's probably backwards on camera because I'm recording on the front of my phone, but
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.